I welcome all of you on behalf of Gujarat Technological University on the second Innovation Sankul Day. GTU's Innovation Council is the first innovation council of this size in India, which has enabled Gujarat Technological University to receive the Global Innovation Award within the first 6 months of its inception. 35 students and faculties from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College, Chandkheda had started first industrial Sodh Yatra and on the very same day at Naroda GIDC in 2011. To make it a historic moment, we are celebrating this day as GTU's Innovation Sankul Day every year at Paryavaran Mandir. Gujarat Technological University is the first among the 630 plus universities of India to declare the Innovation Day, which claims for the hunger of innovation and passion to deliver in its unique manner. This itself is a new benchmark and new pedagogy for developing innovative systems, not only in Gujarat but in the country. GTU Innovation Council has declared Pedagogical Innovation Award, and we are glad to host this ceremony today on the second Innovation Sankul Day. We are extremely happy to have with us today Padma Shri Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, architect Param Suri. We welcome Mr. Harpal Dhariwal, President, Education Invention Center of Canada. We heartily welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Akshay Agrawal, Mrs. Agrawal, and our Registrar, Dr. Kitesh Joshi.
गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ आपको जमावट आई। दोस्तों, आपने देखा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऑल वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स अ जीटीयू ग्रेट इनोवेटिव मैन डॉक्टर ए के अग्रवाल सर। जोरदार तालियां। हमारे अग्रवाल साहब को जो अवार्ड के लिए हमने इंडस्ट्री पे पहले मेहनत की है, पटवारी साहब ज्वाइंट होंगे और दोनों जगत गुरु डॉक्टर बाटकर साहब और गुरु जी को कहूंगा कि हमारे गुरुवर्य का आज ये मौका हम चुकना नहीं चाहते हैं। जब आप इतनी हस्तियां पद्मश्री सर यहाँ आए तो तीनों महानुभाव को कहूंगा कि ये अवार्ड से हमारे ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर ए के अग्रवाल साहब और उनके धर्मपत्नी मिसेस अग्रवाल दोनों को आगे आने के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। वेलकम सर। जोरदार कर्तव्य से हम
how to bring philosophy, how to bring belief systems, how to bring technology into the ecosystems. I think I can't explain that. I would like to welcome Dr. Vijay Bhatkar for his lecture. Thank you. Thank you. In today's context, Saraswati, the Vag Devata, is the goddess of innovation. I think it's a great thing. It's also a wonderful signal, an auspicious signal that we began the celebration of innovation with the worship of Goddess of Innovation. Today we are celebrating innovation.
the knowledge of innovation, the practice of innovation, but more importantly, we are celebrating the gurus and teachers of innovation. Professor Akshay Agrawal, who began this movement, I salute you for really. When I saw this program, GTU Innovation Council, I am aware of National Innovation Council, which was announced by the Prime Minister under the leadership of none other than Sam Pitroda. And we have a National Innovation Council. We have sectorial innovation councils. And slowly state level innovation councils are springing up. And we talked about developing innovation centric universities. We talked about that. But nobody had a clue how to develop innovation centric universities of tomorrow if you have to compete with the world. But when I saw the GTU program, I got exposed to it as it unfolded before me in this function, in the documents. I think for the first time, what should be a innovation-centric university, the idea has come from GTU. And GTU was the first. 2047, India must be the #1 nation of the world and create prosperity. Create prosperity which we have not seen. But there are challenges we made. Already we are the third largest economy of the world. In science and technology and many disciplines, with its space program, with its atomic energy program, with the ideal supercomputing program, we are one of the top 5 nations of the world. There is no question of that. And once again, I bow before all of you. Before you are trying to make that dream happen. Congratulations to all of you. And I want to go. Thank you very much.
fundamental fact which is being taken up in the hand by our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, that by undertaking the innovation with education, we have done a creditable job for the society at large. My friend, the real credit for transforming the mere thought of innovation into a durable framework of GTU Innovation Council goes to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. A.K. Agrawal.
It was 14th February 2011 that our students went on the first Shodh Yatra at Naroda. That's why we decided that we will celebrate 14th February as the Sankul's Day. We have with us today Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, an engineer who is a role model for all of us, who should inspire us and the next generations about what we can achieve. Dr. Bhatkar, we have been saying from day one over here, one slogan, we can do it. You have showed it, and we are trying to say that we can also do it. So, we have decided that we will make GTU into a great university, of which Gujarat and India will be proud. We have started on that journey. Many of you, those of you who are here, in fact, most of you have contributed greatly to it. Many times, each one of us takes a small step. We don't realize what we are doing. What I want to tell you is, each one of these steps taken by hundreds, if not thousands of teachers and students are building up a momentum which can take us ahead. The only thing is we have to continue to build this momentum. We have to continue to work hard, and you will find that our goal will not be far.
Congratulations to all of you. Today was a fantastic day. I enjoyed so much, and it was an honor for me to be here today. So again, congratulations to everyone, especially Dr. Agarwal, who came all the way from Canada and doing so many things for GTU, for Ahmedabad, for Gujarat, and I love you. Thank you.